to the Lewis Show. My name is Lewis, and today we'll be doing more Sounds Dreadful. Hope Science Sounds Dreadful. Let's hop right in. If you don't know where we left off, left off here. So now we're going to continue. You can make a tone by hitting a special tool using a turning fork on a smooth surface. I know that. Turning. Right, we've got a little sketch here. So, I'll actually put that there. Okay, so we have the turning fork here. Over here. I have the music teacher keeping in tone in the music room. And then there's a gardening fork. Music keeps in the teacher in the garden. Music keeps in the garden fork. I don't know. Okay. Rumbling resonance. This is where vibration hits an object at a certain frequency. These make the object wobble too. The vibration gets stronger and stronger, and the sound gets louder and louder until it comes. Oh, I will cry. Okay, I'm stuck. Until it can sound really deafening. See page 28 for more details. Okay, another sketch here. We have a resonating bell. Bang, bang, sorry. Resonating scientist. Right. Happening harmonics. Imagine plucking a guitar string. The string vibrates in several ways to make one main tone and several lesser ones. Harmonic are the lesser tones and help to make you play sound tuneful. And if it isn't, the music teacher is going to get a hammering headache. Okay, another sketch. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this. No. Heaven. Haven't you? Okay, what am I doing? No. Haven't you ever heard of harmonics? Aren't they a bit like a mouth or organ-ness? Okay. That was terrible. Maybe I should just read like this. Got all that? That'll give you something to shout about in your next science lesson. But there's something you can make an even bigger noise about. Just imagine what it would be like if you became a real-life pop star. I'll die if he looks at me. We love you. Isn't he gorgeous? I love him. Okay, I'm terrible. There it goes. Now's your chance. Could you be a pop star? Got an itch there. You don't need too many qualifications to be a pop star. Although talent helps, it doesn't seem too hard to just so as long as you can actually enjoy music and dancing. Just as long as you enjoy music and dancing, you could be the latest hottest big new pop sensation. But you'll need to be ready to record your first hit single to find out how. Read on. To show us the technical side of this, we've hired, at great expense, top DJ and record producer Jez Listening, and it helps explains the vital background facts about any budding pop star needing to know we've recruited scientists. Wonder why. It's another thing. Yo, wonder. Interested in cool music? Interested in cool music? Yes, but I'm also interested in sound science. Okay, so it's minutes of 4 minutes left. I'll be back. Okay. Step 1, sound system. Silent soundproofing. Anyway, kind of hit. You don't want to pick up the sound of next door's TV. Just sound the studio is lined with a thick high-tech sound set to keep out unwanted noises. Okay, it's on the cardboard egg boxes behind plasterboard. Ready? Soundproof door. No, okay, it's another thing. Okay, so there's a soundproof door, so there's no windows over here. There is an Xbox structure and plasterboard, I think. Yeah. Fascinating. A two-way sound radiation system. Pardon? Okay. The soft cardboard soaks up the vibes into a nice. I'm gonna raise it up a bit because you can just. Okay. The soft cardboard soaks up the vibes like a nice comfy pillow, and they get lost in there, which is why it's so quiet in the studio, except when Jez opens his big mouth. Mighty microphone. This is what you'll need to sing or play instruments into. You'll need to get quite close to it so you can call it mic for sure. You'll need to get quite close to it so you can call it mic for short. Here's the mic. Amazing. In Acoustic Electric President. And there's Mike in the studio cat. Anyway, I think I'm gonna leave it there. Well, it really depends on how much is after that. Yeah. Leave it there for today. So, thank you very much for watching. My name is Lewis, and I'll see you all later.